Edohia wa bedene. Itwe dohia fe. Edona wirame. Edona wiyeme. Edoni rowa. Edoni risi. Itwe dohia fe. Wadomo o. Wabu wa o. Wabewo. Wabedene. Wabi shemye o. Wabe gaga. Wabi wina bu wina gbe wina sadobwa wina gbuwa wahiado etuado yao edo tota ni rowa ni ndegevena ituwa yao kaka boda nuwa edo ni risi ni magbadu ikona wa no ere kebino ga yebere idaguwa o sayabe asewi idaguwa o Joy Luta idaguwa o Lizio Sawa idaguwa o Adobe Debi idaguwa o wahia koyo wadowe medomo mebetu wadomo ebiedo do wahia ma iwede wahia ma do wa ma de odema even wawu ya fe wina no wawu de awe ma odobo amebo de yama emobo de yama emoni yari bae emoni ya yesuku ya we gbali bata no mose ya we yawu no mose ebiedo ya fe ekini ase kini ara wen ya ga mawo ogunwe adoli ayu awe money no saloba ya wima ogima adoli ayi age itihen ni ya age gbokoko yi ohun ayo bora ya gbe ti akọ iwen do iwen even no tien even no mage aki manu ladia na ta mi bi ma ko iwen do iwen ko iwen wa ma de agbo ne ru na ori suku ne ru na o ke suku ne ru na eri wa be na no kan won eri wa be na da fe won even no dia no ki manu ladia o kan no kan ni mose iba gbowo no gubi o wa ti awo kan won be rio sikare ni munu susanu wa sikare ni gbobo yoweku sikare ni yobo mu enwe ekobi adian di o kan won ni o agbe ya be awesewe iri abi no we no ku we iri abi da no ga da no awa no nyame na yeme odowe no wa domo ra me o domo baba me ku yo we no nya puto pa no ro he ro makara o we no we do me ariana ma we gba no ti asari abe so ba no fi ngbe ma we ge godo o we ya ge tu do silovo tu silovo o we ya gbogbo imeku gbogbo yemeku etu we hian ri na ge gbogbo yemeku o te kibata ki we ba we ready na we already no zebo bado we ba we ready na o nge run di ewe na di fi re na ko ya fun yen no pe another fu o pare dege be di ori oye o do gbe hu ebe won ego ina o ri ke mi no ya wu na ri dai we ka mi gbe to edobe a toni o edop na pa ya ten ya so pa mi no kin we no wa upo ri o be lo be yo wa ga ri ogo na egbe abe ni pe ari ogo na oruan no pa ke oruan no ko ero bu kan won iyo bu kan won yogo ni a o be tiyan baba we tiyan iye obukun ga be no we na wo pa nya mo ni ebi oruan ya we kin do ati oruan baba no kwa era no kwa do ati o bu kan won iyo bu kan won do ati iye no kwa no Ubona isame pobona. Ubona isame pobona. Boy ahwa. Agmona oga gi mayanyi oga de ne mayanyi o. Ise. What way ise? Ise. Woo! That's it now. Ikaka muwa we ewie do wa ro na enwina. Wakami ani ado we enwina. Ye do o piano ya ku ya. Gay. Enwina. Ya na o tin we vulcanizer no dole itaya yi. Ya de na ma ya. Ogo he. Ama ya ogo he. Ya ziko ba nzekuni. Ya na o tin wedding. Ya no sama. Ya no wedding no get yi dole that wa kan mu dole that mu do kian. Ya de mama ya. Ogo he. Ya ziko. Ya na o tin we mechanic or motor no kwa. Motor no kwa no what go. That's a diesel engine. No hold on be we ni ade. Kebi mu na we ya fe o ugbo na gbe no o iba ku na u no o ba na le no o ye to na gbe no o ye to na me no mu na ki mu na ya fe no we o wa ni hu no we no ade mai le mu na ya na fu de kebi no awe ya win na ebi madagwa no ya du akini no ya wona ma we de lo avio ne ko wa kweda hoyi igbe bi no ya win na no ya du akini ma o le do le mi ni ma de lo no ma we vio ne e de na tie December 18 e ma we ukidon de na ikwe do pa ro we ukiopa iwa no kedun de pa ukiopa iwa no na ni ma we adele mi vio ne ba e ni mama e ni agmona na we aruwari soe who done tievare e bon o piano who no to no se we no we no we do we no we so se we no we meeting we no tie they don't win even win na my win na ya agi ku mu wan e bi na yo bo wa ka e bi na yo bo wo o bi man na e na agwale go dan le e na agwale na le ri sia we vie bo re na ma mi ri ka o no ho e we na ta me na ma ho wa e vie bo re u da tie mere egbe bo di a u do ri e gi ogana Reverend Dr. Omo Amadasun u tie bo kuna u tie we tie we o wa no ari egie o kwa na okwu no na ama emi na ya ye bi we dege mo yuto ula bai na ho wa ya tie Dr. Omo Amadasun ula bai na dege ya mo yuto ni awo we tie no odi o wa na ge na we gbangi mebedian we gbangi mebedian be no vere wa na no gbangi we ge iri o wa gi Dr. Amadasun ma ya kuku awe kugbe agbon ga ma ya fefefe o ga ma ga ma bi ma o ise wa ya we ise o ise we di yedo ya ade o ni aga Italian men wina ro ni o ibota ogedo oga de yu musa da ya so do nya wa sa no bu awa we se de na do we ni ma ba we do ma di bi edo ma do to kwa ma do we wina ebi ya fe ni matana la o pase yo ni ma we do ya fe ga men wina we do ya fe ga men ya yo we do ya fe ni abe amen ke na mi ebo egi an ile ni wina egi an ile ne agbon la wo ni ki odun ni bi edo la wo ra ono wo do na gbona ma mu dia na gbona ya mado la pase yo ni ma we Jesus Christ la pase yo ni ma we Jesus Christ la pase yo ni ma we Jesus Christ do mi salobo isa wa ya we isa o isa ibota oredo ne ima le na kata de kede ade ibota o khawe ogiso. Today we are continuing in Edo history. Ogiso dynasty of Igbo continuing today. Ogiso dynasty of Igbo. Igbo is the former name for Benin City. Today I want to acknowledge, I want to acknowledge the historians, the Edo historians who wrote all these things down for us to read. They are called EdoAffairs.com. Look at it. EdoAffairs.com. EdoAffairs.com. That's their name. That's their title. They wrote all these things down for us to read. That's where I went to read about all this. Anybody can also read from there. So I am publicly acknowledging that all this history we are tracing now is from EdoAffairs.com. EdoAffairs.com. I know that some people will say, all this, why did he know them? Who told him all this history? No, they are not my history. I didn't write them. But it was written by Edo people in EdoAffairs.com. That's where we got the information. What I heard do. Ore Ogiso ve igodo migodo. Matadeo. Makata kede ada ayi retire na. Okana mo me ya me we tie ebe na tie mi. Ebe ni na tie o ebe na ni an ebe dogban na tie Edo Affairs. EdoAffairs.com. Edo. Ya ni ogbon o. Ibani me na tie ibani me na mi endo awita mu wana. Wa be yata mo wa be. So pan ibe tie ebe ma ya na tie mi. Na me na pa bata. EdoAffairs.com. Iwe na gbo ya adere o. Ehun do ni wa iti ma zeta. Now let's go on. Edo history of Ogiso dynasty of Igodomigodo. It's a dynasty. There are 31 Ogisos. 31. The other day we stopped at I think it's 11. We stopped the other day, or 12. Last week. So today we continue from there. We continue from the 14th. Oh, we stopped in the 13 at 13 already. So we continue from the 14th. All right. Are you ready? Okay. So the next Ogiso that we're going to talk about is Ogiso Imara. Ogiso Imara. Are you there? Are you seeing it? Ogiso Imara. That's the next one. Look at when he lived. 537 to 548 Christian era. Christian era, a long time ago. Yeah, about 2,000 years ago. He was the 14th Ogiso. It's a dynasty. From one to the other, to the other, to the other. And we told you the other day that at this time in history of the Edos, the Ogisos were the Odionweres, the oldest person in the community. Okay? So each one of these people is the oldest person, the Odionwere of the community. So he was the 14th one. By age, he became the 14th Ogiso. And the community come together to make him an Ogiso. See, okay, that's not all about him. He was a businessman in terracotta. Was in terracotta business. So this Ogiso was not a lazy man. He was a businessman. The other day we talked about some other businessmen Ogiso. You remember? We talked about Efeseke. You remember? Those were businessmen too. Okay, this one was a businessman, but his business was in terracotta. Terracotta. What's terracotta? Terracotta is a kind of clay. It's very elastic and very, very, very beautiful. It's used in making pots and vessels. And some people use it in part of building the house, decorating the house. It's not ordinary clay, or not ordinary clay at all. If you go to public fields, you will see the kind of clay pot that they use and put flour in it. Very strong. Very strong. So there are some pots that are made like that. They are very strong. So they're not ordinary clay pot. No. Terracotta is very beautiful. It's used for decoration. It was in history, it was the first thing that work of sculptor that people specialize in. So in Edo, terracotta was very strong in our ancient history. And this Ogiso was a specialist in terracotta. My newborn. So it's long time that we became civilized. Terracotta can be used in making statues, can be used in decorating houses. It is strong. It cannot be destroyed by weather. It cannot be destroyed by rain. Hey! See? He was from the Oka quarters. Oka quarters. So this man was, we have been saying since the other day, we have been talking about wherever the Odion Way came from. So this one is from Oka quarters. Who knows Oka? Upper Sakoba. You go far inside. Going on, you see Oka. So he was from that area. So we raise hand for Oka people. Let them come and hear that we are talking about Ogiso that came from their quarter in Benin, of Igodo Mingodo. And that's about Ogiso Imara. Makato kwase Bogiso Nupogi we ha there you. No it's a bed Imara. Ayas one. Ogiso Imara. Ogiso Imara. Yadi Ogiso. Kaka mwa wewe gena. We hotel do Igodo Migodo. Odion we ya Ogiso. Odion we ya Ogiso. Yonika o an Odion webu. On Odion we do aya Ogiso. Oni di ba Odion we ya vega kin Okada Imara. We gena ya di Ogiso. Wito. I mean, who were you knocking? So Yogiso no gear, he win. Yogiso no give win. Mati we had a deal. Yogiso Mara Ogiso no give win. Ana kade. Ogiso no gear, he win. Hey, you. That woman, he got king. Ona no make. Ogiso na one of make. You make now, ya dwekine, owa gwo obo. Ogiso na. Ake. O make na kedo ya Ogiso. Ya ba ya Ogiso na kedo amake. Yen na do ana ibo na do fe. Ibie do wa ko yo wado. Nami Ogiso Imara. Ake, on va make, walking ake, ne de bako, ne mose. Na yo buke kan o, ake ne mose ne buku. I said him, I make both a bogo. If I amigo na do fe. Abogiso my takade takade no favor. Eyi okpa, eyi eva. Ma we na funa. Ka do ka mu wa gbebe o. Wa gbebe papa ka awo na gbe. We don't hear what. Be dey so fair bo Abogiso na wo be ta. Be dey so be agbe na he abeta. E ke da do ya wo abeta. But I tell you for them, I will not do that. Maybe do tear my work. Ogiso na here, Imarana. You know, one of Maki. Oh, what you? Oh, Maki. Ogiso na Gaki. Do we have the Gaki? On our way, Idun Oka. They do okay. You're back there. Look, so pomba. Look, some pomba like Oka or Oka. We do need a gaki. Wakame Bioka. we mateme Ogiso Imara no bia bunya o akpobonuka kwa akpobonuka o atemi ara da unye gbede na ona go yoka o isa Ogiso Imara no Ogiso no gi wena o makega no ikino ona ya fi eba be aro sa gbadi ase na no ya make oge abiga we evi ya ana si shegbe evi ya ikwe na mo na me na o sa gba ya we Ogiso Imara o be ya we ma obi edun oka no Junior Daniel obi oka we here o we we mare wa Junior Daniel obi oka we here okay akobo de Junior obi oka akobo nuwa o koyo wa ma wa na be me na ko wa di ko wa gi me Debi oka we do ma we ko bonu wa o na ko bonu wa bana we ni nu wa ba ni nu wa ibi oka ga mayo ise wa ni ge na no rebuebo ibi do ni rebuebo ibi oka okay ba tem wa na o wa ya de bayan ro wa na do local yo no ho ibi oka ni rebuebo wa ya de ba ibi oka ni ro wa we do na do local yi abe mama yo abe morupa yo ebi ya kari yo bari ba ya mo be abi na wo ebi no so bo mama aka akiti be ho nta akoyo yoka orobu wa o obi yo segbe we come to another Ogiso. This is going to say Ogiso Etebowe. Ogiso Etebowe. I'm not sure of the pronunciation of the name. Okay, you know that when we write something in English language, we don't normally dot it. And if we don't dot it, we don't know where the vowels go. So we dotted it ourselves. Etebowe. Look at the time when it rained at Ogiso. He was the 15th Ogiso in Igolobigodo. He was the 15th Ogiso. So after Ogiso Imara, he was made Ogiso. He was the oldest man, John Were, Opako. So he was made Ogiso. So he reigned for this year, 548 to 567. I think it's 19 years. He reigned for a long time. Ogiso Etebowe. Okay? He was the 15th Ogiso. See it? Okay. He was of the Orogotodi quarters. He was a man of the Orogotodi quarters. Orogotodi. I'm not sure about it myself. But that's what history says. Orogotodi quarters. Does anybody know where Orogotodi is? Anybody? Orogotodi. Or Orogotodi. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know the pronunciation of everything. So that's where the man came from. That's Ogiso. He was the oldest person over there. Etebowe. The 15 Ogiso. So he came from Orogotodi quarters. But this man had a special talent too. Special talents. What was the talent? He was a boxer and he was a wrestler. He was a boxer, he was a wrestler. So the athletics of boxing and of running, of wrestling, has been there from of old. You see it? A boxer and a wrestler. So you all know the wrestling competition that takes place in Benin every year in those days. You know our brother Ugbo used to come from Yokohama to do the wrestling in Obas Palace. So these things have been here for a long time. So this particular Ogiso was a boxer. And also he was a wrestler. That kind of a person can make the people of the community to become strong because he will teach them how to box. He will teach them how to wrestle. Wrestling was a good game in those days. It was a good game in those days. All right. That's not all, though. This physical strength that he had, he did something else. He was a leopard destroyer. He was called the destroyer of leopards. Leopard destroyers. But you all know leopard is a very wild animal, strong animal of the jungle. This man went around the jungle, destroying leopards. Destroying leopards. When he said destroying them, it means getting them, killing them, and all of them dying. Not just that he killed only one or two. Oh, no. He went around them. This man must not be an ordinary person, though, for him to be able to destroy leopards. You know, leopard is a very strong animal. Wild animal. People don't go near leopards. No. You can't go near leopards with ordinary hands. No. This kind of a person, he will have a way, he will command leopards to get out of there or come near here or lie down. And he will destroy them. He will kill them. Really? Yes, so. The people of Igodo, Migodo, they were strong. This Ogiso was one of the person who will lead people to the jungle to get leopards and destroy them. Certainly, he was not looking for meat, game to hunt and for food. No, he went after the wild animals so that they could not invade Igodo. You know what I mean? He was a destroyer of leopards. He look at him very well. Does anybody know where Orogotodi is? Anybody? Orogotodi? Anybody? Well, they know why Orogotodi, they can boye. Orogotodi. Junior Daniel, he said he knows the bossa from Orion. Where is that where Orogotodi is? Junior, is that where Orogotodi is? Okay. Anyway, this one was a wrestler and he was a boxer. So we thank God for men who can wrestle and who can box. We know of Ugbo, that one I know of. I also knew him. He used to come from Yokohama. So we want to clap for Yokohama. Yokohama, I went to Adami or an event or clap for Yokohama. So Junior Daniel, he said he knows somebody from Orion too. You came from the same village. What's the name of your village? Junior Daniel. What's the name of your village? But we give them a hand. We love them. We thank them for being producers of wrestlers. So you come and teach people in Benin how to wrestle, because wrestling is an art. You don't just go near the opponent and begin to do ziggy. No! There are special songs that we sing when you are wrestling, and it helps the wrestler to do well. You know me? You know what I mean? We salute you. We salute Yokohama for that, for being able to be producers of wrestlers. Okay. God's time said that Orogotodi is around the Sapoba area. Okay. If anybody knows it, tell me. Not only today. Tell me anytime. Orogo to the area. So we want to clap hands for Orogo Todi. Woo! Orogo Todi. They produce a great wrestler and a great boxer. Okay. So if you see children from Orogo Todi, don't venture them up because they will wrestle and they will wrestle and put you down. Wah! And they can box and box and box because they are set to them. So inside Edo, Ogiso Etabowe, Ogiso Etabowe, in any Etabowe, ni man de so, a man de retire, say, Runda, Ian of Benebe, Ian Swivi, yo, tuto, when Monswivi, yo, tuto, na. Nana Maswivi, yo, tuto, the man de Etabowe, the Yanta, Menado Tobo, to be your tuto, Etabowe. Ona give it edini do na Etabowe. Gẹ́gẹ́ no ya di Ogiso ye oyi popara ogi eyan ya Ogiso oja mo o wata o to we ga ba jon we yo Ogiso ge na kana Ogiso na ekesugie Ogiso na ekesugie eyan ki o akade kade we vai high na isen high yan igbe wo iwe vai we a iwe na yen na ekesugie Imara, Giso Mara Makata, Bono, Giso win, only in a Kesugi, or Kesugi, only he sent a boogie. Giso Kesugi. That woman, I got you, Giso Nakana. Oh, and I got him, oh, Bepa. Ogbepa luma. Ogiso to boy Ogbepa. Igbe. Ipo. Adiake wa we do there. Yeah, Ogbepa wo we wa ho. Beno ya de oye no wo kuta de gbe ni. Ipo eyin ra kin adiake. Even ware ebony ekeri okeke ni awa ya wa we da Ogbepa he. Ebi ya no ko. Okay, we have on event eyin. O tebo I do see ko do event. Event, yeah. Okay, manadi beka. Yi ma be every man. You see. Event. Ade ati ekipia. Na ya si koko. Event. O ma ya no ayi beka so. Beka na ge omipe isen mipe se ne whatever. Abuni aka so. Ngeli ka so. I say yo ma bowo. I ya popo wa. Ya be ven pa mo pa gboto. I don't ever ven e to pa mo pa gboto. Awa mi ma go aven. Awa mi ma no me fion na ya ven. Really me ye me ma se ti aven ye unda me ma won fion. Ah we ven ye ori me watin food we watin fo. Ru da wo me se ti ven. Ona we na do ven you wa ma ari no ma go ven me uska kaska awe mu me gboto be. Amu egboto e ma se wa agie. Awe we ni agie. Kwa. Ya nge we ni agie. Ani eva fa opa gboto. Oni be ikwu. Na be mu de atakian. To point ze bi bieka. Abi mu agboto evie o awo bi abie o bi mu agboto bi na ibieka ka wo kan ni. Ọma keke na abia yo. Tukpan ibieka ya ge we oye na bo we oye na igi ya na mu gboto ya gele avie egbo oni. So we go get na de awa event. So man do go anwa get man do ya wan na man do me we ope na ke event ai wa ven lo tedo ya fe. Say ya man do me we ai ya event we go aba. Awu man do so kate we eri man na de na che ugbo obi yikuru mu. ugbo inu podon ki yen wa ya vere gwa o wa ka wa don ri mu die no o mu ya do gwa ve o mu ya gboto if you don para ro no ga log o yan o wa mu o use on the gboto pupo akere mi we oni we do mu ya gboto ma we ni bo nu gbo ma we ye re den there if ye ya fe we dan ga ho e we ya fe we dan ga ho ma we ni bo no ti mani re ugbo eri mani ugbo na se tin ga 20 e 20 ọdún wo ta gbọ̀yà ẹ̀wé bo yà mí 20 ẹ̀wé ìjàmbá yà mí 20 ní àfẹ́ mi Japan kéré nà yé bo tó bọ̀ yà mí 20 ìwọ kẹrẹ yà mú yọ òṣèlú mi nà yà gọ̀gọ̀ wà gbọ̀n ẹ̀ nìyà kí wọ́n ní yẹn náà kẹ́kẹ́ náà mú fún wa ògì sódà tó bọ̀ yẹn gà 20 àmọ́ ẹgbótọ̀ bọ́nà àrà 20 kpọ́dọ̀ yọ a sì wọ́n yọ adéparẹ́ rí dé o yẹ kó lógbó náà wọ́n tọ̀ adéparẹ́ rí dé yẹ kó lógbó náà wọ́n tọ̀ adéparẹ́ rí dé o yẹ kó lógbó náà wọ́n tọ̀ iye kí ọwọ́ lógbó ẹ̀ náà wọ́n tọ̀ wọ́n yẹn láti ológbó láti ológbó òbí ẹ̀ dán iye kí ẹ̀ náà wọ́n tọ̀ wọ́n ní ó bà wẹ́ dúbọ̀ òbí ẹ̀ dán ó bà wẹ́ ẹ̀mí nìkan náà wọ́n mú ẹ òbí ẹ̀ dán wẹ́ ní òbí ẹ̀ dún wẹ́ ní wẹ́ mú ẹ udo we mwe unu mwe yekira moto ogota era moto odera moto ya fibe gudeda ada kwage ide yeko logbo na moto ho yeko logbo na yeko logbo na moto imaso wa ebe na ya ve obe ebe obodan lai as a few of your fuke or fuke your way warning again on one or do ha yen dear or dear only the but only the canto I want my button your book canto only a money button only 20 even with that a cat bounty a lobo cat you carry na moto e wan so do no we ya we wie so na ya fa o yo logbo ya we anyone me ka de gwa kana e bi so ro dia we ya o ya we ya o da ya we ya pe ya make that thing happen. Ye so logbo ye ko logbo ya we oko ye ko logbo era oto mami every man aga eto bowe ogiso era no ebi evade ni o ma keke don le ma ba o manedo ipada gbe ke event na 20 uswe mi na ya kegbe anything okay ya ma bi mai abe ya ma bi mai ya pia be osisi ya kon abi yo bokun abi ye pakun ona te be vena ebi no ba no obi o to di ga na ki o ge etebugwe obi o to di de ke na tie o to di ne ma on le doni no a wiki kendo no a uye kuri no a ogo to di me ke na te ogo but na te ogo to di ono kwa mangi me ibi ye kuri on wa on ya ogo to di ebani ogiso dan kiri wagani oboni bi ogo to di won ne bonu wa o agapo boni ya kwa wa ge ni e fi we dia o e mama na yin ba ni be na ti ma via so ge ka e bon wa ge an fi ni e we dia ogo to di e mama na yin do wa on wa do tabi ma wa ka mi e ma ni oboni ya o ma we po boni ya oni ogiso dan dokiri o My foe, Opena, or an Ogwari Atalakpa. Ogwari Atalakpa. Ogwari Atalakpa. Why you look at it? I talk Bilatalakpa. I can't walk here. He, Atalakpa. No, now, Ebo. I see Catalakpa. That's Bockham. A war. The Bockham. You are walking here. You think I talk Bocca no have well. Yet what and more what you have what bubble. Yeah, what bubble or walking ahead. He again, I can't able my area among young men to Barry. Okay, so now I go at a power. I go at a Ebona, Leopard Destroyer. Oh, warrior. From that, Atalaparuha or Angela Harding. Atalaparuha or Hangamubu, Buhani. Gilly. Okay, can I billion his body? Ukusuna Wakuda. On a one of Guague Atalapa. My newborn. What I mean, only a doing Ogo Toti. Then my hair and the out do you bono. Then I am Matalapano Kawa. You want my newborn Ogisu at a bow. So says God's time. Or where would you not go to your win or what you river or what of my Ogo or of Mohogo? Where's you not having my God's time? When I reach here, Ugbelaka, Keke, Utegbelaka. When I retire with your with me, Ogo, okay, Ogo Toti. Come on, I know you with my body, will not ever. They all Bill Wetana, did your Gileno. You with my body, Wana, yeah, no. You get Oyanki that Ogo Toti. They been Wetana, did your Gileno, or I'll be telling ma. What's you like you there, Mamma? Ogogatalakba. You met you know, vient de Manado, une main au bout, une main au bout. Ma gualutia, ma bekina, ya, Maya Wagbe. Hey, hello, Domo, Oga, Bomo, Obava, Koyo, Oga do Mataridian, Oga do Mataridian. Ogiso Banate, Ogiso at a bowe. Ogo Todi, a carry. Mana, Mamma can have one ye. Runda, you couldn't work, you go working. When I tell Ogo Todi, or Sika, or what, where and out to a book near do where my back away one. Mamma can have one ye Ogo Todi. Echo, walk bow, what oh, Saguero, another bow. Edo, I got to my name, Oichibaba, Oitamima. Okay, we move on to the next Ogiso. Okay, the next Ogiso is Ogiso Odion. Ogiso Odion. I don't know why he was called Odion, because in our Benin, naming star, we usually call Odion when we have twins. The first one is called Odion, The second one is called Owokan. Owokan. So maybe that's why it's called Odion. I have not seen the word to read why it's called Odion. Look at his time of reign. Okay, 567 to 584. All right. Okay. So he reigned for over 14 years, thereabout. So we thank God for him. So that's Ogiso Odion. He was the 16th Ogiso. Ogiso number 16 in Igodo Migodo. The oldest man. That was wonderful. 16th. Okay. He was a renowned hunter. Here's another one. A renowned hunter. This time around, this one is a hunter. He was not just destroying a leopard. No, a hunter, renowned. Renowned hunter. Those who can go to the jungle and get animals that you can use for game and use for food. Was a renowned hunter. Okay, he was also a storyteller. He was good in telling stories of the past. Some people are very good. They have retentive memories. You tell them one story, they never forget. They'll be able to tell it whether they are sleeping or awake. And some people tell stories, I don't know where they got them from. The one I'm telling you now, I told you where I got them from just now, edoaffairs.com. But some people tell you stories, if you ask them where they get the stories from, they can't tell you. See what I mean? Okay. So this man Ogiso was a storyteller, even before he was made Ogiso. And during the time of Ogiso, in the evening, people will gather around and sit down. They will bring palm wine and serve palm wine, and he will be telling stories. Everybody will listen like this. Some stories are very frightening. Fairy tales. Some stories are fairy tales of giant people and of spirits and ghosts. Some people tell you some story, you'll be shaking. In those days, when they be telling such stories, if I sit near my mother and I hear the story, I'll be moving closer to my mother more and more. Because some fairy tales, they are very frightening. You know what I mean? Okay, this man was a storyteller. Also, he was a singer and a dancer. So he was an artist. Nowadays, we call them artists. And artists, they make money now. They're very, very rich nowadays. Very rich nowadays. You know, these artists nowadays that the people will call celebrities, right? Celebrities, they are millionaires, multi-millionaires. When they sing, oh, people are surprised. And when they dance, oh, you don't want to go home. You don't want the show to end. When they dance, oh, goodness me. So he was an artist. How wonderful it is for Ogiso to be an artist. He must have taught the people in the area how to sing and how to dance. Yes. Okay. And he was a moralist. A moralist, that is the man who likes to do the right thing all the time. If you want to do any wrong thing, he will object to it. You must do the right thing all the time. At that time, they didn't have books where they wrote the laws, but everything was by word of mouth, what we call oral tradition. So when they are doing things in the village, you will make sure the right thing is done. You will not allow the wrong thing to be done. You cannot cheat. You cannot lie. You cannot oppress anybody. You cannot steal. Ogiso will make sure anybody who does the wrong thing is punished for it. So he was a moralist. You see? We read about these things in history. Moralism was a vogue in religion in those days. But you see, so we also had moralists who believe in morals in our land. And Ogiso Odion was like that. We thank God for him. We don't know what quarters he came from. They didn't tell us. But we give him hand for being a good storyteller and for being a good singer and for being a good dancer. Okay. Good singer. People who have good voice to sing. Everybody shall be exalted. And every mountain shall be made low. The crooked straight. Like Victor Waffle. Good singer. That's how this audio. We thank God for his life. Thank God for his life. No wonder I know people they know how to sing. Let me say, Ogiso Odion. Ogiso Odion. Gẹ́gẹ́ ló yá rí Ogiso Bedo. Wíkòdò. Yan Ogiso. Yan lá Ogiso. Ọ̀páyà Èkésùgìé. Ogiso ní ọ̀páyà Èkésùgìé. Ẹ mà kàdé sí. Ẹ̀yàn ìsọ̀ ìgbó náà dá Ogiso ọ̀páyà Èkésùgìé. Mama ebu no kere idun no kere obigodo no mama idun no kere okay ya ohwe no kwa no wa ohwe no gba me ohwe no kwa Yesu gba me ma gbata lapa o amen na Yesu gbe awon aye Ifimu owo no kokwa yan wa kido AC ede ehwe roduku amen yin wa gbele I think you have your yeki o wan bo wa so eni wa we ki o he no kwa okay we out otoka ọwọ agwa toka akotare wa tiewo ya do tota gbe eso yota yuto so yota yijoko eso yota ye ga negba so ọwọ atoka e ma so atoka we o don fo ọwọ agwa ta we yin re ba gen ni na so mu e la so toka atoka ni ọwọ ari orin yan me na de e ma so wa toka are kini ana mi okani kini ana mi okani abagbe ye ebe antie de na mi to igbo wa we de ra ki o so ba wa yo din we otoka no kwa my phone ona be uru ne o agwa si won e ma to ona Ogiso Odion ọwọ agwa si wọn wọn ẹ máa ń sọ ọgẹlẹ si wọn òrùlé ẹwà kù ẹgbẹ òdì wọn ní ifo benefit wá fún ayé yáyá sẹnẹ bò ìrẹ̀lẹ̀ bíẹ́mẹ ọmúnyàwó kégbé ìyẹ̀mẹ̀ bíẹ́mẹ ọmúnyàwó kégbé ẹ̀dìgà gbígbọn múnyà èkákíọ́. Yo, ya se na o. Ma ya gwa si won. Lebe ma ya sa gba be ya gbe. Ogana na wa no si won. Aba won pa. Obe gwa gbe. Obe gba orude yen kin obe gwa gbe. E ma so wa gwa gbe. Ya gbe yiku. Ogweke. Ora e ma so agbe yiku. Uwe ya de ba ya gbe. Areme we gwagbe uye ya de baya hu da be ne ya gbe ni be ne ya mu no ni o ha yo we egbe we ya wese uye ya de baya gbe do ma de baya gbe ube ya di ekeno na gbe uye amu eyan pa na wa ti mi ni mu gbo bere we gbo bere yen mo boyo we Emilike agbo bere no won no gbe o won na mo boyo we Emilike wa ti mi ni awon gbe la de ndere Oma agbe wiku when ekudon gbe ona yo we bo ya kian we se kedon na gbe ni where you go very, who get it in now. Oh, I don't know, I'm going where you will buy your yeki. No, yeah, where when you go very near me, where bow, worship, but in Patrick Osunde, obey. Ayi àwọn bèbè ọ̀hún yà láti ẹ̀yẹ pàtìkì súnmọ́ ọ̀hún alright ó sì bà ó ní ọmọ ó sì bà ó mú ó sì bà nà wọ́n ni wà gbó bẹ́ẹ̀ dé nà wọ́n ni mú ẹ̀ bọ́ yọ yé kọ́ ní ọmọ ó sì bà dẹ́n ìjọ kàmá wẹ̀ ọ́ bùgì sọ́sẹ̀ gọ́sàn ó sì bà wẹ̀wẹ̀ ọ̀hún kò bọ́ ní ọtúbà Osunde kébè gọ́sàn júdò dání ẹ̀ ó sì bà. Nani o ẹni àpòbọ nìyàn ẹdó wàjáwó ẹdó wàjáwó wà á mìàmìà o ìgbọ́ yóò gánagá àti o ọgùn á sì wọ́n ọ̀bẹ egú àgbẹ̀ abíkùn màgbẹ̀rẹ̀ náà dẹ̀ ugwu ìkàtà kàrìtà òkìkì kàrìtà dè yàrá kàrìtà tẹ̀ wá ọ̀rẹ́dọ̀. Lókèké ọ̀rá ọ̀wáǹtà ẹ̀yìn ìyá kí ọ̀wáǹtà rẹ̀ ebe di yagbọ̀n o ọ̀wáǹtà gbanwé wáǹtà ọ̀wáǹtà ọ ní ọ̀wọ̀n ọ̀gbàlẹ̀ èmi wáǹtà àṣà ẹ̀ta àìwé náà wáǹtà òhóòrì àwọ̀ èmi náà má gbá àwọ̀ orúkọ àwọ̀ ọ ní ọ̀wáǹtà. Ọ̀wáǹtà rẹ̀ bò ẹ̀ máa ta ka ọ̀wáǹtà ọ̀nà múdíá na mẹ́wẹ́ èmi náà gbá ẹ̀ o ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ akín àṣà ètò ògè wọn náà ra ẹ̀ àdùgbé asán àdùsúkú kan yọ gbé àyà súlẹ̀lẹ̀ kan wọ́n fi ọ̀nà yọ ẹgbẹ́ wíńdé kọ́ ẹ̀ náà wọ́n fi ọ̀nà yọ ẹgbẹ́ wíńdé kọ́ ẹ̀ náà wọ́n fi ọ̀nà yọ ẹgbẹ́ wíńdé kọ́ ẹ̀ dẹ̀dẹ̀ àwọ̀ ẹ̀gẹ̀ náà dẹ̀ ọ̀wọ̀n náà ra ẹ̀. Ọ̀wáǹtà ogi so dára akí mígòdò ìbànú owó kọ́ yẹn yà á lẹ́yìn ìkàtọ̀ òwúrẹ́ náà ọbọ̀ kan kó yọ so ogi so náà ọ̀díọ́m ọ̀bẹ̀ wọn ta ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ka akí o àbẹ̀ wùbọ́ náà mú gbó àbẹ̀ wùbọ́ náà bìí ìwò òhù ẹ̀ ọbẹ̀ kí náà bí ọ̀wọ́n ẹ̀sì orí kẹ̀kẹ́ ìgbọ́ òkè sódà ńlá akí ọ̀wọ́n ẹ̀wọ̀n àtàrí akí o. Lókèké, the last one for today is Ogiso Emose. It's very interesting o. Ogiso Emose, that name is a feminine name, but this Ogiso took his mother's name. Ogiso Emose, look at the time he reigned. 584 to 600 CE. 584 to 594, that's 10 to 600, that's 6. That's 16 years. The old man was alive for 16 years, Ogiso, in Igodo. Woo! It was the 17th Ogiso. Ogiso number 17. Cool? We are going, more and more. Ogiso number 17. This Ogiso Emose. But he was a posthumous child. Posthumous child. What is a posthumous child? A posthumous child is a child who was born after his father has died or after his mother has died. So there can be a pregnancy, but before that baby is born, the father has passed away. So that child is a posthumous child. Okay, listen. There can also be a pregnancy wherein the mother dies just before the child is born. When a child is going to be born, unfortunately, some mothers, they die. I mean, it's just the way it is. But the child will survive. They still bring out the child from her body, and the child will live and still cry and still behave. The child will live, but the mother has died that same day, that same moment. So this one, we don't know who died, whether his father or mother. I have not read it in history, but I think it was the mother who died that day he was born. So it was a posthumous child. I'll tell you why I think so. Okay? So he inherited his mother's wealth. He inherited his mother's wealth. You see, that's one thing that rings the bell. He inherited his mother's wealth. Mother was wealthy. He inherited all that the mother had. See? That means the mother wasn't really there anymore for him to inherit what the mother had. Okay? So he was loved. He loved beauties. He loved beautiful things like a woman. He loved beautiful things, beautiful clothes, beautiful house, beautiful body. He maintained himself. Beautiful. Beautiful people. He loved beautiful women. He loved beautiful men. A handsome man. He liked his heart to be clean. He loved beauties. The things, necklaces and rings and whatnot, bangles. He was a king, but he was like a woman who loved beautiful things. Okay? Therefore, he took his mother's name. He took it on the day of his coronation, when he was made Ogiso. That day, he chose his mother's name. You know that when kings are coronated, the day they go through coronation to be made king, they have to assume another title. Not the name they have been taken or they were born with. No. This man chose his mother's name, Emose. See? You see, Emose is a feminine name. He took his mother's name. You see? You see? So they gave him a nickname. The nickname was a woman Ogiso. Woman Ogiso. You know what I mean? Because he took his mother's name, Emose. Oh, that was so significant. So significant. He remembered his mother. I think his mother was the one that passed away because he didn't really experience his mother. But he took the name and it pained him to his bones, to the marrow of his bones. So he did everything to remember his mother. See? Emose, Ogiso Emose. Now it's a big man, but on you kick your head and now. Ogiso Emose. Ogiso Emose, giving out water. Also the Baroki, Ogiso. Don't worry, no. Don't worry, I don't. Ogiso Emose. Enini Emose. Enyoku no. Enyoku no. Again, we don't do a Emose. No Ogiso. Ogiso na. Ehirabugie. Ogiso na. Ehirabugie. Daga Ehirabugie. Ima kadesim. Ami kesugie na mi enerabugie. Ona Ehirabugie ehio. Ogiso na Mose. Okay, guys, Ude fiagbon. Ibo na be Ude fiagbon he. Ude fiagbon ọmọ no man right. Ọgbọ́n so ọmọ no man ye. We again the baba so en ko wo na. Ba e ko ya bi ọgbọ́n ni baba ni ye gbeyi. Ye gbeyi, oni ofiya. Ye gbeyi en wo na ke do bi ọmọ ni. Ọmọ ni do Ude fiagbon. Bo na emi yobo. Gbogbo so be sunu bo we ko oku anya bi ogbon so de no bi abi ọmọ ni en de yin wa be fiya. O wa be wu. Ono na oye men we iye owu de no bi ọmọ na. Oye me video. O wa give no na time. O ga o mo dia o. deux fiagments non ba ye alors ma era orie efe oriye efe orie efe oriye dere ye iragmo ya mari efe oriye o me ye yi wede na bi iye na wede dio muda o ka we yo na bi efe ye ebi na ari buku na ebuku oriye ijo mo ase a ero mo ase a ebuku uku ni na ona di uku oriye ore efe oriye me na ya yi wa ge iye o fi ya de no bio whatever ya orí efe oriye ma fo ọ̀ràn ìmọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ̀ rà kí ọ̀ràn ìmọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ ọ̀dẹ ọ̀wà náà tètè gbé ọ̀wà mọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ìkùwẹ́ tẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀ dẹ́gbẹ́ ọ̀pẹ́ náà ọ̀sàlẹ̀ tó náà ìyẹn ìyá bìnrin ìyá ọ̀pẹ́ ìyá agbóyè tẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀ òbọ̀kọ̀ wọ́yẹ tẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀ òpùnà ọ̀mù yẹ gbé ọ̀fọ̀ kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀ ògbà náà yẹ kẹ̀kẹ̀ yẹ wà pọ́lẹ̀ ìyá àìmí sẹ́gbẹ̀mí kẹ́ sọ́kọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà pa ó ya gbọ́nyẹ tẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀tẹ̀ ema na mo se ọtún yà sẹsẹ bẹ se ọgbà náà okú nọ ebi yà fẹ ọgá wáyé mose ọrùn ìmọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ yẹn rà kí ẹ bá ta eré wà nù kò wọ́n ẹ̀dọ́ sọ́tọ̀ yẹ sẹsẹ ká náà kò wọ́n ọ̀hún kí yẹn bọ̀ kí yín yà fẹ ọ̀hún ìmọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ bẹ̀ yà fẹ. Ọbẹ táwọn àwọn ọbẹ dáná nànà yú pọn yìnbó nù pọn ẹwọn gbígbé wọn ẹwẹ ó yá ó ní ahọ ẹnu ẹ mú pọn yìnbó pọn náà gbé wọn yìnbé ó yà fẹ àpò lẹ ó tẹtẹtẹtẹtẹtẹtẹtẹ àwọn ẹni mọ fídíò ẹyìn ẹ̀ka akín ọ̀wọ́n ìmọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ ọ̀nàdìyẹ ẹni ọ̀rìyẹ nàti ìmọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ ọ̀nàdìyẹ ọ̀rìyẹ ẹni oriye emose edena ma ogiso oriye ni wami ahia moba a ogiso wana moba ni na omo ogiso ni oriye ni ogbun eniyan na ahia ga ti e wa di na ti oba ni awa ti e ge na bio o ehion ba de no ohion ba ni eniyan gbon oye na ihe do ati ye yenya edena ido menya guso wo pena na kana oye ri eni ona di eni ye emose eni okwo no to ponyo eni ni e ana ati e guso emose ogiso emose ogele wa yi ye re be ni me ata eba wa ge de na bio eye fija ìbá ni yẹ la nunda ni ẹ má ṣe ti miami yẹ ọmọ miami yẹ àìmiami yẹ èmi dé ìwúyà fẹ ọwọ awọ ẹkan yẹ ẹfẹ orí yẹ yàn bẹ rí ọba ènìyàn orí yẹ ẹyìn ẹ bẹ yẹ ogiso n'okwo yana ya mọfane ogiso n'okwo òwòtẹ́wé ní ògìso ṣùgbọ́n yẹn náà iye ní yẹ dàlà ọ náà ẹ ògìso lóko. Emọ́sẹ̀ máa ní ọdún ìwọ̀n ní àti emọ́sọ̀ yẹ̀mẹ̀ lórí rẹ̀ ooo mọ́sẹ̀. Ilé ẹ̀dọ́ obìnrin mọ́sẹ̀ níyà dúpẹ́ àwọn ọ̀gọ́ obìnrin o àwọn fi ìwòrí owó sọ ìbí máa dẹ ìdán ìmọ̀sẹ̀ wọ́n ní màá yìí ta ẹ̀ náà ìbá ní màá tàṣẹ ẹ̀ náà ọ̀dìyàn tí ń gbé òkè dúnà ẹ̀ náà ti ní yẹ́ àti ìmọ̀sẹ̀ gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́ ó kẹ́kẹ́ màá bí ẹ̀dì àwẹ́ akùnrin níyí mà abe wọn ta gbọn eni yeso ikutukun ni ti we da we be yo abe ya yi yo wa re Awe ya yi ya ware what I ho organic ni tie ban otiere no otiere no domo domo mo ti ewe run da o kan matabedia odekan ogo odekan ewo Ogusopa aro ni be ban Ogusopa aro ne etebowe atie Nwa ogisodu pogi ekesugi redo migodo so ya we no kere igidu no kere atie owo to din okere na we owo to din me ma ke na tie owo to din ma ebe hu de orun kwa na we bi na we mi ogbela ka we mi idun ogbela ka wage no ona wage ote ogbela ka ogbela ka ma ogbela ka ona wa mi ote ogbela ka ona wa go na owo to din wage to bi siko owo na we dey on ma ga ti we na ga dey ri ogele no owo to din we ka hin boy
the only story ni in 1990 you were
like abo agbo yan dan ho ka abo agbo
I know where Magbonaria also were two things. Aware LY local, aware it you know, aware we here it you know, I wanna wear or here go barrel, here go get up. That here got. I will put a what do you tell you? We look at you.
That is very old. Runda Evin Montana, Evo Yadame ho. So, Hanny, Maudun do Taiwan, and I do me aware. No, I fear with ye or those here. Oh, go to dinner, Micah home. So, no, can go to the you will not taro. Na kama atuka na mafu. Webi nota. I will go to the my making my old man new born ebony. My old man new born ebony. If you wouldn't marry new born, my bonia. You know, where's your nature with a widow? Yes, sir. About the bow. Go your hands up.
Yes, sir.
Kuyo. So Matana, Ghost time, when Mata man on that way, or you tell or we are in no so what. Yawe never so what they or what to do. Always Yawe on. What have be what be there or okay now no. Oh, if I need that or Nico one in no one in Damio, okay, but I'll get na. Oh, you pay 9 million. Ogbura oge na wa bokia o wa ni ro wa madegu wa wa la wa ati e wo bagbe o na to redo o ki ma na edo na kin ma na do o to kedo wa we se tin ta ni ma be you ware we na e kana ya fe ma ta keda de o to pa na te edoaffair.com ni agbon yo to e ba ni na mi etie ni me na do ata na mo gbon yan gbon you talk when me na me echi me do ata na edoaffair.com oja ko bo ni yan o obobo ke mata ke de ade ke ma ye bita edoaffair.com ko bo ni yan o akoyo ma itoka ogisran fo na ma do ka mo wan wagme me nya oka ogiso wa ya fe wagmo me nya oka ogiso so popa ka magwalobo ma do tie na do ge e wa no na mi je o no ye we bo de ye wa no gbepa ogiso no no we banka de ogiso no owe o gbankan Dogi so no make. We bankan. Dogi so no gbeni. O maka topa de o gbeni. We bankan. Ogi so I even know that obi. No Ugbekum. Yawe Adesabu. We bankan. Video. No really yere bo. We bankan got time. Amaye segbe Ogiso Owodo. Eba won ma ko na ade. Ogiso Owodo o Okpa nyagba yen ga akin. No gie okpa nyagba. Ima seba. Seba do ta se. Ona. Ado ta do to Ogiso Owodo, ado to Ogiso Esago, ado to Esago. No bo kan Ogiso. Ado to Canada no Yogiso. And I find it rather do give up. Ima ate the mafia. Tasiva. Okay, don't know. What happened? What book you were not really Ghost Time, River, to Saro, River Cynthia, a book you Ghost Time, Wagman, ya, who are my Wagman, West Ghost Time. Team my particular Sunday, a book you what we've been, no ma, West Ghost Time, away Asia would do, away me who ya one. Hey, Raman. I was so running who not you, yeah. The bitter. We saw of Motagona. Ni who not you, Piayowa. El Piadio, who you were. If what you were. Dear one. Dear one. I was so on you could not hear you, Piano Birapa. You were. Oh, Piano Birapa. Ọ̀hún pẹ̀lú gbọ́dọ̀ pa òpè ha òpè pẹ́yìn òpè va òpè pẹ́yìn òpè ha bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òpè àbẹ̀rí òpè va ọ̀bẹ̀rí òpè ha ìyá àgbọ̀n náà dì mí gbé ọ̀dì mí gbé ẹ̀dọ́ àgbọ̀n dì mí gbé ọ̀dà àgbọ̀n náà ni òkú náà rí òpè va yóò wá rí òpè ha yóò wá òpè pẹ́yìn òpè ha ìpè ha yára gbọ̀gbọ̀ yàfihàn yára bí ẹlẹ́nià. Yeah. I mean, I saw Panny, and you pay up here over down. Oh, body, yeah, go body. Yeah, any of the agua. Yeah, boy, I bet it. Popo, anyway, I gave you an album. I was a team of a best of our my sodo, my castle, my busua. A boy, your baby road then. Areni, Opia, Oho, Oil man, Equiva, Vera Vie. Equiva no Vera or Monso Vera Vie. Yen, your mea. Equiva, and Lubiaki. If you van here, you were looking at what gogging of you. You will live, I will live here. It was a double. But I do. I don't know what. I don't know what. I don't know who's more. I don't know what. Oko? Oka Madota. I tried to Sabanon give a mere day at how. He said, well, do get the door, mind your bonus are over. And the bonus are over. If you're not tired now, give my year old Ogiso Monster, don't know where ye. I'm ye. Ye. Constance, I will book you. So can you put a book you? Much you get up or book you. The cool, yeah, whatever. My comment, I you was like at our book. Why will I? Oh, Constance, I will Ghost time. Yobusa kato token kato Sosa got at Montinya era bo booking o Yonta about why I go red on one of what web me o see bar. Oh, web me o see bar. Akọpa ọnwa temata ekanagwa temata no mata no nwere ubwe ya gbovere ewe no mi osiba dọba na wa megbe sẹsẹsẹ egbe no mu ọ mo segbe agbanya wa ka bo mo segbe we bo wani we ko baba o ka ye ko tem we mi osiba oni vi ba mi no egbe no mu na o ti ri ma ya fe egbe pati ko sude ko yo mo ti yara bo ko yo ai bere vai ghost time era bo ka to okay ai bere vai so ki na bo o yakpan yuri so yakpan ko yo obuga o Samuel ko yo o yakpan ko yo ya wa bu o ra Oh. Christian, that's okay. Abogan o Virawe. Junior Daniel Abogan o Virawe. Junior Daniel Abogan o. Aki even ako wegwa the door. Eda we na do zena. Wegwa medoa. Eda we na do gbena. Ati even ba we na te ogo to dia. Ogo to di o Brett Obaze Okoyo Akidime Abokiao Sosa Gostan Junior Daniel Akidime Abayeme Okade Adi Abokiao Abokiao Amato Andrea Amato Degewe Lizio Sawa Degewe Tuesday Nasuki Degewe Koyo Adoge Dabi Degewe Sayama say we work career. Somebody bawa. The do ya fe tuwa. Ya kwe oge you gaven saloba. Oge ari gaven I go saloba. The day Wednesday ben will be ade. I do right before. I wonderful by the way. I to la oba. No time. I to lani. My do kabe with yesu. Na way you work po. Egbe do awo ma. Na do akan wa. Wa ho. Wa ade wa tie wo bagbe ade uzo anu de Wednesday ihe no we won ri bagbe ade uri ma bagbe ade ba wo pa re garo se ya mi ya fe na eta ya ruwe ema araza na bi yi owe YouTube aza na egbon ki wa degbe ede o ihe egbe gi wa ya ti wa o Nda ka kid Mayawe ono ni Mayawe on head na yawe e dey Wednesday dey Friday wa no e na yawe no wa ho wa we ya do e wa we modo wa we baba do wa we ye do wa we tendo so abade ba ma ya fe o ise oba wa idon re do ato ipewe keje e di ga ma wa ga ma yo pe won dudukie oba ilo bo efo ise oba ato pe ise Akoyo Ado. Bye bye.